Introducing the 2025 Volvo X90 Twin MTR AWD Ultra in stunning blue. This electric MPV is loaded with top-of-the-line features, from air conditioning to satellite navigation and everything in between. Safety is a top priority with 360 view camera, collision avoidance braking, and multiple airbags. Luxurious interior features like ambient lighting and third-row seats make every journey a pleasure. Spoil yourself with a glass roof and privacy glass. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with an anti-corrosion warranty and powertrain warranty. At Spirit Motor Group, we ensure every vehicle undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Visit spiritmotorgroup.ie or call us today to learn more about this exceptional Volvo X90.